Converting any image to a PDF file is a straightforward process that can be done for free on virtually any device, including computers, Chromebooks, MacBooks, Android phones, and iPhones. To start, open a browser and navigate to Google Docs, or use the Google Docs app on a mobile device. Log into your Google account. Select a blank document, and then use the top menu to insert an image. You can upload the image from your computer, Google Drive, Photos, a URL, or use your camera. Once the image is uploaded, you can move it around, change its shape, and rotate it if needed. To rotate the image, select it, click the three dots, go to Size and Rotate, and use the Rotate Angle option. You can also drag and drop the image to make it fit the entire page. Once the image is positioned as desired, go to File, then Download, and select PDF document. This will save the image as a PDF file to your device, which can be opened to view the image in its new format. This method provides a simple and convenient way to convert images to PDFs, and it's available on a wide range of devices.